Hey guys, with us getting ready to do the Tessera assessment, I just wanted to give a little video to show you guys how to get there. So I will be giving all you teachers a list of your students, their logins, usernames, and passwords, and you as well. So students tomorrow or on Wednesday will be taking the pre-assessment. They do not need to take the post-assessment yet, so you need to instruct them at that once you give them their login information, that they will just go to take the pre-assessment. And this is how, as a teacher, you would log in, and it should be pretty similar as a student. So you're just going to go to a URL. You're going to type in, each sheet should have it. It will be actlinden.agilixeuzz.com. Okay. When you get there, it'll show you this screen here. Under username, the students will type in their username. For now, I'm just going to use Mr. Baker. So it will be toby.baker. Type in your password, and you'll log in. Now, you teachers will have the sheets, and on each sheet, it'll give every single one of your seminar students their username and password. So you'll be able to give that to them so they can log on to this website. Okay, from here, to take the assessment, you're going to click the Mosaic by ACT, and then you will come down here to Mosaic by ACT SEL Assessment, and from there, students should be able to click right here where it says Mosaic by ACT High School Pre-Assessment. They will click that, and then they will take their exam. Some students might take longer, so they can just log out and get back in at the next seminar. So we'll do this tomorrow on Wednesday. They can get as far as they can. Most students should probably finish. If they need more time, they can just log out, and then on Thursday during seminar, get back in the same way, and then they'll be able to finish their pre-assessment. Do not take the post-assessment yet. Okay? If you guys have any questions, come give me a call or shoot me an email or come grab me. Thanks.